Welcome back to the Midlife Diet's Advanced Biohacking series. Last week, we discussed powerful metabolic compounds like metformin and resveratrol. Today, we tackle the most hyped, most expensive, and potentially most transformative molecule in longevity science, NAD+. NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's not just a supplement. It is an essential coenzyme found in every single cell of your body. Think of it as the cellular currency of energy and repair. Here is the undeniable truth. As we age, our NAD+ levels plummet. By the time you hit 50, your NAD+ levels can be half of what they were in your 20s. This drop is strongly linked to fatigue, slow metabolism, and accelerated aging. So, the goal is simple: boost NAD+. But which booster is best? Is it NR, Nicotinamide Riboside, or NMN, Nicotinamide Mononucleotide? And are they actually worth the significant investment? We will break down the complex science, compare the two compounds, and give you a clear verdict for men over 40. Why is this molecule so critical? NAD+ performs two primary, life-sustaining functions within your cells. Function 1 is energy production in the mitochondria. NAD+ is essential for the process that converts the food you eat into cellular energy, also known as ATP. Low NAD+ means sluggish mitochondria, which translates directly to the fatigue and brain fog you feel. Function 2 is DNA repair through sirtuins. NAD+ is the fuel required for the sirtuins, our guardians of the genome, to work. When NAD+ levels drop, sirtuins cannot repair the DNA damage caused by daily life. This unrepaired damage is the definition of aging. The decline in NAD+ is a key reason why your recovery slows down, why your muscles struggle to grow, and why your mental sharpness fades. NAD+ itself is too large to pass through the cell membrane easily, so we must take precursors. These are smaller molecules that the cell can use as building blocks. The two main candidates are NR and NMN. First is nicotinamide riboside, or NR. NR was one of the first popular boosters. It is a simpler, smaller molecule. The journey matters. NR enters the cell and then requires a two-step process to be converted into NAD+. The pros are that it is generally well tolerated and has a longer history of safety studies and human trials compared to NMN. The cons are that some research suggests during its conversion process, a significant portion of NR can be broken down or lost. Second is nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN. NMN is slightly larger and structurally closer to the final NAD+ molecule. The journey here is different. Traditionally, scientists believed NMN had to be converted back into NR outside the cell before entering. However, newer research suggests specific transporters may allow NMN to enter the cell directly, making it highly efficient. The pros are its structural closeness to NAD+ and the potential for direct entry, suggesting it may be the more efficient pathway to boosting intracellular NAD+. The cons are that NMN is generally more expensive than NR, and its history of long-term human safety studies is shorter. The verdict for men over 40 is this. Based on emerging data, NMN often shows slightly better results in boosting specific tissue NAD+ levels, especially in muscle and liver. However, both are highly effective. If budget is a concern, NR is a proven and reliable choice. If you want the most cutting-edge option, NMN is gaining the edge. NAD+ boosters are expensive, so you must stack them correctly to maximize the return on your investment. First is stacking with resveratrol. NAD+ is the fuel, and resveratrol is the accelerator for the sirtuins. You must take them together. Resveratrol turns the sirtuins on, and NAD+ gives them the energy they need to do DNA repair work. Taking NAD+ without a sirtuin activator is less efficient. Second is timing and absorption. Take your NAD+ booster, NR or NMN, in the morning. The energy-boosting effects on the mitochondria are best utilized early in the day. Take it with a meal containing healthy fats for better absorption. Third is the muscle-building connection. New research shows NMN specifically enhances muscle insulin sensitivity and mitochondrial function in skeletal muscle. This means your muscles become better at utilizing the protein you eat and the energy you burn. This directly enhances muscle retention after 40. Fourth is quality control. Because these compounds are expensive and complex, quality varies widely. Only purchase from reputable brands that provide third-party testing to verify purity and dosage. Do not waste your money on cheap powders with no verification. Is NAD+ the fountain of youth? It is certainly the most exciting molecule we have for cellular repair and energy. For men over 40 battling fatigue, slow recovery, and cognitive decline, correctly boosting NAD+ with NR or NMN is a foundational step in advanced longevity. Remember, NAD+ works best when your lifestyle foundations are solid. Good sleep, low stress, and an optimized diet. It is an amplifier, not a miracle cure. If you are ready to invest in your future self and optimize your cellular health for decades to come, hit that subscribe button now. We are continuing our advanced biohacking series next week. Next week, we are tackling the most misunderstood vitamin, vitamin K2. We will reveal why K2 is essential for heart health, testosterone stability, and preventing the vascular aging that kills performance. This is the Midlife Diet. Live stronger. This content is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise, or supplementation routines.